Hi guys, Billie McGraw, your Flagstaff Realtor here to talk to you about vacation rental ownership. Why would you want to own a vacation rental here in Flagstaff? Well, because I don't know if you're like me, but I've gone on vacation before and stayed at a house and thought to myself, if I owned this house, I could have my vacations paid for and have a real estate investment in this awesome place, XYZ, vacation land. So the first thing to do is identify a place where people love to take vacations. Guess where people love to vacation? Bingo, Flagstaff, you got it. You want to pick a place where people come from all over to stay, and we have people escaping the heat from Phoenix who come up here and stay in vacation rentals, and then we have people from all over the world that use Flagstaff as their destination location. They go from here to the Grand Canyon and Sedona and Lake Powell and Phoenix and Las Vegas. It's a wonderful place to own a vacation rental. And then the second thing that you need to do is identify a realtor that you want to work with. Ding, 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 you got it, that's me. And then the third thing that you want to do is identify a property that would work well as a vacation rental. And there's lots of factors to consider when you're doing that, which I would love to talk to you about in person later. It would just be too much for this video. So today we're going to identify a property. I've got one here for you. It's 1080 turquoise, and it happens to actually be active and live on the market right now. So you could look that up on your favorite platform. 1080 turquoise, and the purchase price of this home is $625,000. There's a couple reasons why this is a great vacation rental property, just to name a few. One is that it has 4 bedrooms, so you can sleep a lot of people. Secondly, it does not have an HOA, so you could vacation rental it without any restrictions. And a third thing to consider is the parking. There's plenty of parking at this home for your VRBO guests. So now that we've identified a property, we need to find out how much is it going to cost us every month to buy a house that's $625,000. It's going to cost us a little over $3,000 a month, $3,252 a month. And if you multiply that by 12 months, the total cost for the year is around $39,000 plus figure 10% for maintenance costs. That's another $4,000, putting you at $43,000 to purchase this home. That would be the cost over the course of a year. Now, if you don't live here in Flagstaff, you may want to consider having a property manager. They charge 27% of the gross annual revenue of the property. Well, what is going to be the gross annual revenue of a property like this? Well, I talked to my favorite property manager, and she let me know that we could expect an occupancy rate, meaning how many people stay every month, of 65%. And the average cost per night would be $287. Now, mind you, that number goes up and down if it's a big holiday or if it's on season or off season, but you could anticipate $287 a night for 65% of the days of the year, and that would give you a gross annual revenue of $68,000. That is a lot of money, and that's really exciting because we know it's going to cost us about $43,000 to pay for the home. It's going to cost us about $18,000 in property management fees, which puts us at $61,000. So by the time we get done, we've still made $6,000 to $7,000 over the course of the year. Remember when I said the occupancy was 65%? Do you know what that means happens the other 35% of the year? It means you get to vacation in your vacation rental, and that is super exciting. So if this is intriguing to you, you'd like to hear more information, please reach out. I would love to talk to you about what's important to consider when buying a vacation rental home. What areas would work really well here in Flagstaff? Do you have to buy a $625,000 home? Absolutely not. You could buy a home that's $350,000 or $400,000, and we could work the numbers and check out the areas and go from there. So if this sounds like something that's interesting, it aligns with your real estate goals, you're diversifying your financial portfolio by investing in real estate, you're basically giving yourself a free vacation, you're putting yourself in a position to have awesome tax write-offs, check with your CPA. I would love to help you meet any of your real estate needs here in Flagstaff. Please give me a call, 928-699-4513. Bye.